Some of you had questions on number 6, so consider this just a little hint slash clarification. The main point is that you should be writing this kind of a method, a two lowercase method, which is going to take a char parameter and it's going to give a char out. You're going to do something inside here. This is what I'm looking for to make it a lowercase, and then you're going to return it. Obviously, you don't actually just return a every time. And then if you're going to make the method, you need to call it earlier in the code. So you should have some lines of code that are going to basically just call the two lowercase method. So I would do a few just to make sure that it works, because it should work differently for depending on what you put in there. If it's not something in the right range, then maybe it'll just leave it as lowercase. So you could do a system out print line, and then you could do two lowercase, and you could give it a capital X, for example. But you could also, and it's worthwhile to also put in something where it would handle it differently. Like what would happen if you simply just put in a lowercase y, which I didn't explicitly say what you need to do, but I think a reasonable thing would just be to leave it lowercase. If I run this now, it's just going to print out a couple times, but that's, oh, or it could be an error. Yeah, I forgot to put an extra parenthesis on the end here. But the idea is that you should be writing the method, and then you should be calling the method from the main method with a couple of different options just to see how it goes. Some of you asked if you needed to write a scanner. No, you don't really need to write a scanner. Just do it, call it a couple times with a couple different things, and that should be sufficient to show that you've done it correctly. Thank you.